agad sa pamamagitan ng paggawa ng mga ordinansa at mga resolusyon.
Ano pa po bago po na gagawin natin sa first 100 days po?
We will definitely be inviting investors. We will definitely try to get a big chunk of those who are going to San Fernando na nanggaling naman dito sana, gusto nila. But because of layering of napakaraming red tape, alam na yun kung bakit naantalang pagbigay ng mayor's permit, business permit, dahil matagal. Yung ginawa ko sa Clark, yung gagawin ko na lang dito, no? The ease of doing business in Angeles, yung Clark will be done here in Angeles. Nakita naman ninyo, doon sa importation lang, ng mga process of importation ng raw material. Dati-dati, it will take you mga 14 days, tapos stages, tapos maraming papers, maraming tao kausapin. Ngayon, 2 minutes, wala ka ng tao kausapin. You can import all the goods by internet in the comfort of your home. So, ease of doing business in Clark, what I did in Clark and Subic, I will definitely do it here in Angeles City. Blue had enough time to serve our city